What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Man, I want to come back with another video. Hey, man, look, hey, I'm sorry for the late appearances, but I'm about to be dropping these videos back to back for you guys. We still dropping at least 10 pieces of content for you guys today. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, man. Shout out to that boy, Ben 10. We about to hop straight into it. We about to get into the ski mask. And I'm going to keep quiet this video because I'm coming out with something. You dig what I'm saying? So, hey, Ben, you better be the first nigga to cop, bro. You better be the first nigga, bro. If you're not, we're going to have a problem. Shout out to that boy Ben. He got the ass rolling. But you better be one of the first ones. Now I'm just playing, but like it's cool if you don't, but I know your people will. I know everybody around you will. That's how hard that shit gonna be. Like everybody gonna cop that bit. I promise you, it's in the making though, y'all. But now we about to react to this. That boy got 2 back-to-back ads. You know he putting in that work. You dig? But make sure y'all go subscribe. Make sure y'all. Hey, no cap. Then that nigga remind me of like the younger me. Like when I goddamn was having fun with YouTube and shit like that. When I wasn't paying rent. nigga start putting out these reaction videos on their ass.
The title of thumbnail. I'm gonna be showing y'all the best places to get ski masks from. Now listen, y'all, bro. I've been waiting to do so many videos. Y'all don't understand, bro. I've been waiting to get this camera for so long. If y'all want to know what camera I got, I'm gonna make that a whole separate video. You feel me? If y'all in my community tab, then you know. But with that being said, man, I didn't let every YouTuber do their thing. Now it's my time to shine, bro. It's
your time, bro.
My time to grind, bro. I'm not gonna complain about how I'm finna grind. I'm just finna show y'all, you feel me? With that being said, man, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you new, man. 2K on the way.
Y'all go subscribe to that, man, bro.
Alright, man, before we start this video, man, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you new, bro. I don't understand why y'all not subscribing to the channel. I done already showed y'all a million different videos. I done gave y'all better content. I done gave y'all more uploads. For sure. And y'all still watching the videos without subscribing, bro. Subscribe to the channel, please. Go subscribe. That's all I'm asking, bro. I done got a new camera and everything. Come on,
going crazy with the quality.
Come on, man. Y'all see me ugly in 4K now, bro. That's crazy. Screen record should be on the screen, man. Listen, y'all. Coming in at number 1, we have Juvenile Club. Now, this is a local brand.
What's up with the niggas and the horns? Can we really get to the bottom of this? What's going on with the niggas and the horns?
All year, you feel me? Coming in at number 1, we got Juvenile Club.
I ain't hating on nobody though.
2 masks.
Feel me?
That I'm about to
I'm not saying it's not hard.
Just look, you feel me?
I'm saying what the fuck.
First black one sold out, but as you can tell, they have a nice ski mask. You feel me? Now I would get this if it wasn't sold out, but they have another one which I like better. So I'm about to show y'all right now. But yeah, y'all go shop, by the way.
Shit look hard.
They got some crazy stuff coming along. I ain't gonna fake. They got some stuff, y'all. Trust and believe. But the horn mask, this is so elite to me, bro. I don't understand why, but this mask is crazy.
He said elite.
Like, it's different. Like, shout out to Papa Q. If y'all know who Papa Q is, he be doing like the little horn
crazy
concept,
with it.
bro. That's hard. That's fire, bro. And I wanted to try it. I'm not gonna lie. And I would try it with a ski mask though. I wouldn't try it with a hat, but I would try it with a ski mask. You feel me? But yeah, man. Y'all shop the Juvenile Club, man. Tell them I sent you.
I go fuck with them, man.
But yeah, man. On to the next. Let's get it.
That look cool.
All right, man. Coming in at number 2, we got Pray for Prey. Now y'all know this my brand, man. I got a hat from them. Shout out to them. They going crazy.
We trying to see this.
Listen, you already know, man. Yeah, man. They got this door face reversible ski mask. So meaning
well, actually, they hard. They too hard.
Don't say too much. Reversible meaning you can wear it like black and white. You feel me? You can wear it this way. I ain't even think you can wear it this way. This low key tough. That's smooth. That's smooth, y'all. Keep rolling it. Keep rolling it. Keep rolling it. Keep rolling.
That's hard.
to turn it into blue and white, bro.
That's
now
hard.
My twin, he got the black and white one, and then I believe it's orange and white. This one blue and white. He got the orange and white one. Now listen, I wanted it. I ain't gonna lie. That was gonna be my next ski mask I was gonna get, but he got it, so I was like, I'm gonna just wait.
That's hard.
I'm probably just get a different one. But turns out I ain't even get this one. I forgot why I didn't get it for some reason.
That's hard as fuck.
I was supposed to get this one. But yeah, this one.
That's hard.
Trust and believe. This
That's hard.
Tough. Shout out to them though. They going crazy. Let me see if they got any more. Nope. But yeah, y'all. This the orange and white one, y'all. Orange and white one's so tough.
That's tough, bro. See, it's like it's so many brands out here, bro. It's like
I'm just making sure I ain't. Oh,
why we just paying attention
I'm
to
just
that?
making sure I'm straight, y'all. But yeah, on to the next brand.
Louis and
Ori
shit like that.
365. Now y'all know
really
this
about
my
to take
brand
this shit
too,
over,
bro. Bro, I really rock them heavy.
The streets really about to take this shit over. What I mean by the streets is like the entrepreneurs, the everybody, man. We really about to take this shit over, man. On the influencers, the creators, we about to take this shit over, bro. Because it's only a matter of time, bro. Because like we to the people.
Bro, this has to be one of the hardest ski masks I've ever seen, y'all. Like, no funny stuff, bro. And it's only
my bad. But yeah, man,
this gotta be one of the hardest ski masks I've seen, y'all.
Look, when y'all order from upnextlifestyle.com, first link in the description,
I'm not gonna lie to y'all,
I ship it out personally.
Magari, bro, they doing their thing, bro. They whole brand just hard to me, bro.
Ain't no scamming, bitch.
They whole brand is just crazy. It's crazy, y'all. Trust. They got full zips, everything, man. Shout out to Magari, they doing their thing, man. But yeah, y'all, just bro, trust and believe the next video gonna be crazy. Any main man,
Nike. Why you showing love to the Nike, man?
You feel me? Now this is the main ski mask, bro. Once everybody start wearing ski masks, you seen people wearing Nike. The reason why I got Adidas is because Nike was sold out, but I feel like it's dying down. So if y'all just want a regular ski mask, bro, go get you a Nike ski mask, y'all. I don't remember how much it was.
And you just the brand ambassador for Nike.
You feel me? Yeah, y'all, if y'all really want just a ski mask in general, bro, just go with Nike or Adidas, you feel me? And yeah, honestly, bro, it was hard.
Damn, bro, you gotta be more smarter, bro.
I remember some people asking me for this video.
Look at this shit.
And it took me a little minute because
but you got 30,000. You got 30,000 on
all right,
bit,
man,
right?
with that,
you got 30,000 on that bit, right? You advocating for Nike. You get what I'm saying? They already got enough people advocating for them, big brother. You did. You should damn near come up with your own ski mask. You feel me? But yeah, I appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? Nike ski mask. See, it's hard, but look, they already talking about the Nike shit. I told you. But I appreciate y'all for coming through, bro. I'm about to keep pushing out these reaction videos for y'all. So I appreciate y'all. Catch y'all folks later. Y'all know we gotta make sure it's 8 minutes. Okay. Peace.